Hello everyone, this is Fahim Ansari from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we will discuss about monophasic liquid dosage form. As in earlier lecture we have discussed the dosage form classification, how the dosage form are classified. There are mainly different types of classes of dosage form: solid dosage form, liquid dosage form, semi-solid dosage forms. Now we are in the category of liquid dosage form. Liquid dosage forms divided into two types of dosage form: monophasic dosage form and biphasic dosage form. Today we will only discuss about the monophasic liquid dosage form. uh, what are the monophasic dosage forms, how they are classified, their advantages, and what are the preparations that comes under the monophasic liquid dosage forms. These are the monophasic dosage forms are the these are the liquid doses from having only one phase. As the name indicates, also monophasic means it has a single phase, means it may contain more than one or two ingredients, but they contains only single phase. The solid or liquid particles is completely dissolved into another phase and does not show two different phases. That is, therefore this is called monophasic liquid dosage forms. But in case of biphasic, there are two phases in the preparations. One may be solid or liquid, or two liquids which are incompatible with each other. They are represented by a true solution, a clear homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving a solid, liquid, or gas in a liquid. How? What are the classifications of the monophasic liquid dosage form? They are classified into two groups: liquid meant for internal administration, example mixture syrups, elixirs, etc. Or second type of liquid meant for external administrations, mean we does not take through inhale or does not take through mouth to the direct that goes to stomach and further creation. These may be used in the body cavities or externally. Now the classification there are as discussed: internal and for external use. Internal use may there are four types: mixture, syrup, elixirs, and linctus. In the external type, there are these are further subdivided into three categories: application on the skin, used in the mouth, and instilled into the body cavities. इंटरनल के लिए हम जो टाइप्स यूज होते हैं दैट आर मिक्सर्स, सिरप्स, एलिक्सर्स, लिंक्टर्स. Mixers and application on the skin: liniment and lotion, used in the mouth, gargles, mouthwashes, throat paint. And instilled into the body cavities are douches, ear drops, nasal drops, and nasal spray. Now we will discuss about in general about the different parts, like in mixture or syrups. Syrup, what are syrups? Syrup is a concentrated or saturated solution of sucrose in water. The concentration of sugar is 66.7% weight by weight of sugar, and remaining is water. These become very sweet in nature. The syrup or medicines is mixed with this solution to get a medicated syrup called medicated syrup, and these have a sweet natures or sweet taste. These may be there may be flavored syrups. Advantages of flavors: syrup becomes more tasty or sweet in nature, though it is easily consumable by the elderly patients, childrens. They are very palatable, and they are very good for inhibit the microbial growths. These are the general methods of preparation of syrup. We will not discuss the preparation syrup. Next is the elixirs. What are elixirs? Elixirs may be they are clear, sweetened, aromatic hydroalcoholic liquids. Elixirs are generally intended for the cough syrups, as you say, in the form of cough. Elixirs may be given. Elixirs is a form. They are clear, sweetened, aromatic hydroalcoholic liquids. Main ingredients is ethyl alcohol, mainly 5 to 40% ethyl alcohols contain this preparation. This form that is for cough. They are medicated elixirs, also antibiotic elixirs, antihistamines, and sedatives. And now is the liniment. These are for external preparations. Liniments, liquids, they are maybe liquid or sometimes they may be Semi-solids liniments, they may be alcoholic or oily solutions. They generally is oily solutions. Medicines is dissolved in oily, so it can we can apply on the skin and it process a medicated effect or counter irritant effect in case of alcoholic solutions. Containers, the contains should be dispensed in colored fluted bottles, label for external use, shake well before use. And some liniments may have the indication not to be applied on the broken skin. If the skin is broken, then liniment should not be applied on this. Next is the lotion. What are lotions? Lotions means also meant for external application, but they have to be without friction. As in case of liniment, we have to rub on the skin for 2 times, 3 times, or for a long time. But lotions only apply on the skin. They may be used local action like cooling, soothing, and protective antiseptic purpose. Should be dispensed in colored fluted bottles. Every preparations which are for external use should be dispensed in fluted bottles. Labels container should be indication the for external use and storage conditions. Next is mouthwash, gargles, and mouthwash is gargles. Gargles are the liquid solutions which may be antiseptic properties, and the membrane of mouth is cured by this. If there is any infection in the mouth, then the gargles should be used. They may be phenolic or antibacterial or thymol solutions. They also contain the label for external use only. Next is the mouthwashes. Mouthwashes are pleasant in taste and odor, used to make clear buccal cavity. माउथ की जो स्पेस को कैविटी को क्लियर करने के लिए, odor फ्री रखने के लिए, मेन पर्पस ऑफ द odor of mouth used for mouth can be inhibited by the use of mouthwash. It should be dispensed in white fluted bottles and label should contain for the external use only. Next we the throat paints. The throat, as the name is, throat paints, they are viscous sweet preparations, liquid preparation for mouth and throat infections. Commonly use the glycerin. Glycerin has two purpose. One is it increase the viscosity, and second it increase the it become the sweeten the solution, sweet the solution, so it can be externally easily administration or easily usable. Thank you. If you like the video, please share, and if you have any comment, please write in comment box. Thank you.